I have my flash on, and my papa has his hazards on his car. So I hope this video will turn out okay. Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here at Milwaukee Road. As you can see, we have a green signal. It is a default signal too, so it is what it normally is. Anyway, we have a train coming. Check it out, and it also means one thing too, is that we have one coming. This is the Norfolk Southern 121. I believe it is the 121. And here it comes. Roll it outside of Britain, Michigan. Britton, Michigan. Here it comes. Roll it. It is 7:52 p.m. currently. Eastern time. I am in the Eastern time zone. On most of my videos for right now. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. It is now 7:53 p.m. Currently. Either this is the 121 or the 231, but the horn doesn't sound like the CP. Or, I mean, it doesn't sound like it is the 231. But I could be wrong. It's probably not the 231, but this is the 121, I would think. I would just think so. I can see the light. I'm closer. Here it comes. Roll it. I can tell because of the reflection, by the way. Here it comes. I mean, anyway, here it comes. Roll it. This road has been seal coated since last time I was here. The symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 121. And the 121 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west all the way to Kansas City, Missouri, where it terminates. And we have a red signal now because the train went by, or because the train went through the signal. It is currently 7:58 p.m. All on this Thursday, October 24th of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.